Like the saying goes, children are the leaders of tomorrow. In line with this belief, the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure, NASENI, through the Scientific Equipment Development Institute, is taking deliberate steps to enhance science education in Nigeria. As part of these commitments, NASENI has donated science kits to students of Federal Government College Minna, an initiative designed to bridge the gap between theory and practical learning.
Before the NASENI kits was brought to us, as a Federal Government College, we have laboratories and we have equipments. But this kit has added feathers to our teaching. We take the kit to the class, just like I said. Sometimes what we made the children to do is to move from their class to the lab for exposure of practicals. When this thing came, it has saved us time. No wasting of time. We carry this thing straight to the class, and a lot of concepts have been passed through to the children.
Those science equipment has really helped us mostly in our practicals, and those equipments usually make us understand some of these theory aspects, and it will be very good if students continue to use this equipment to have better knowledge on what we are talking about.
These science kits are already making a difference by providing students with hands-on experience they need. The deepened understanding spark curiosity and inspire innovation.
Before the NASENI kits came, we usually have our practicals in the labs. But due to the mobility of NASENI kits, we can actually now have our practicals in the classrooms, even while explanation about topics in class is going on. So this can actually help shaping our future, because in the outside world, there are many applications of everything we are taught in school.
Before, if we just come to class, we'll use board and markers to learn. Yes, though it is understandable, but it is not practical. But since NASENI came, it helped us more. It became more understandable and more practical.
With access to practical tools, students are better equipped to explore scientific concepts and develop the skills needed to become the innovators and problem solvers of tomorrow.
Because of the NASENI science kits, we can actually understand how refraction and reflection of light in physics actually works in the outside world. So, for example, camera uses lenses, and lenses are involved in refraction of light. So that is how we can say you can be able to capture an image on the lenses of a camera, and that is also similar to the retina of the human eyes. So because of these kits, we are able to fully understand these difficult concepts in physics.
The future of every nation lies in the quality of education given to its young people. By investing in science and technology education today, NASENI is helping to shape a brighter, more innovative future for Nigeria.
NASENI science kit is reliable.